Magnesium citrate for seniors. Side effects, leg cramps, and safe dosage. Today I'm going to show you everything you must know, especially if you're over 60 and trying to understand whether this supplement may support your sleep, muscle comfort, or those nighttime leg cramps. If you want a clear guide you can understand in the next few minutes, stay with me because this will help you know what to look out for and what to talk about with your healthcare provider. This video is for general informational purposes only and is not medical advice. Magnesium citrate is commonly used because it's easier for the body to absorb compared to some other forms. Many older adults look into it because studies suggest it may support muscle relaxation and nerve function, which is why people often associate it with easing leg cramps. While results vary from person to person, magnesium plays a key role in how muscles contract and release, so having enough of it may help support overall muscle comfort, especially at night. But again, whether it helps you depends on your personal health, so it's important to discuss it and supplement interest with your doctor. When it comes to side effects, magnesium citrate can be gentle for some people, but it may cause digestive changes for others. The most common side effect is loose stools, since citrate draws water into the intestines. Some people also report mild bloating, gas, or upset stomach, usually depending on how their body reacts and what's written on the label. Because it affects digestion, healthcare providers often advise caution for anyone who has kidney problems, bowel issues, or who already takes medications that influence electrolyte balance. This is why speaking with a professional is essential, especially for seniors who may be taking prescriptions that interact with mineral supplements. If you're checking the bottle and wondering about how much is normally listed, supplement labels typically show amounts ranging from a few hundred milligrams of magnesium citrate, but the exact amount of elemental magnesium inside that form is lower. Clinical studies often use a broad range depending on what they are researching, but these numbers are never a recommendation for you personally. They're just examples of what appears in research. Only your healthcare provider can guide you on what is safe for your specific situation. For safety, it's helpful to monitor how your body responds. If you ever notice unusual fatigue, prolonged diarrhea, or changes in heart rhythm after taking any magnesium product, it's important to stop and speak with your doctor right away. Most people tolerate magnesium citrate well, but seniors should always approach new supplements with care, especially if managing multiple health conditions. By the end of this video, you now understand the key points. Magnesium citrate may support muscle relaxation. It may help some older adults with nighttime discomfort such as leg cramps, and it has digestive side effects you should be aware of. The amounts of supplement labels vary and studies use different dosages, but none of it replaces personalized guidance. If you're considering magnesium citrate, your safest next step is to discuss it with a healthcare provider who knows your full health history.